and my loving students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are fine. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about prep class English learning. How we will learn English lesson with syllabus. So let's start our video. Today I am telling about my daily routine. Okay students, I am good girl and I am very punctual. So let's start my daily routine. M by my DAID LAY daily, my daily ROURU TINE routine, my daily routine. IN in, THE the, in the, MOR more, NING engineering morning, in the morning सुबह के वक्त. I मैं GO go, GO go, TO2 SC HWL school. I go to school, मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ या जाती हूँ. AT at NOON noon, at noon दोपहर के वक्त. I C का ON कम आना. I मैं कम आती हूँ या आता हूँ. B AC के बैग वापस. H HOME होम घर, मैं घर वापस आती हूँ या आता हूँ. I HAVE have. MY my, I have my. LUN CH lunch. AND and REST rest, मैं खाना खाता हूँ और आराम करता हूँ. IN in, THE the, EVE NING evening. I go TO2, I go to PL pal AY play. IN in, THE the, ARK park, in the park, मैं शाम के वक्त पार्क में खेलने के लिए जाता हूँ या जाती हूँ. AT at NIGAT night. I HAVE have, I have. MY my, DIN din, NER dinner. TH the, EN and then I go TO2, I go to ED bed. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like my video, so please like and share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay, Allah Hafiz.